You gonna go outside and fix cars? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on our PT Cruiser 2009. Got Caleb here. Caleb, you fixing the car? You got your tools? Yep. So what we were doing is we were doing a tune-up on this. Spark plugs, wires. You do got to pull the upper intake off to get to it. What I did notice is that this cylinder 1 spark plug had a bunch of oil. It's kind of hard to see, but if you look down in there, this whole tube was full of oil. So we're going to have to change the valve cover gasket. So we're going to go ahead and do that so we can finish doing this tune-up. There you go. There you go. Fix it. Okay, is it all better? Almost? Okay, let me see. A little bit more adjusting. Oh, you got to put the parking brake on. All right, well, good thing we're doing a tune-up on this. We got the valve cover off, got the gasket surface all cleaned up. There is going to be some RTV on some of these corners, like where the cam cap is. I did pull the spark plugs out at this time, just because it's a little easier. I sucked all the oil out of that spark plug hole using this little vacuum pump guy that gets it out pretty good. We got the valve cover here sitting. I had to put a little bit of RTV in here just because this Velcro gasket fits like garbage. It does not sit in the hole, even on this back side. Actually using a brick to kind of weigh this down because it does not want to sit in there properly. But look at these spark plugs. They should have an electrode like that. This one's actually not in good shape, but if you look at these guys, it's actually missing. So there's two of them like that. The electrode is just completely gone. And it was running, it just felt really sluggish. It had no power, you know, trying to get on the freeway and stuff like that. So hopefully this wakes it up a little bit. All right, so we got our valve cover on, all cleaned up. Did put some of that RTV, you can see here on the corners, on these sharp corners here above the cam sensor, back here by the cam little cap. Also too, around this sharp 90 degree, put some RTV there. Again, on this corner where it makes this turn and then goes up over, put a little RTV there. And then back on this side in the corner here, kind of hard to see. And then just torqued all the bolts down. I think it's like 105 inch-pounds. Got the new spark plugs in. Got OEM Champions with the gap set to 40 thousandths. Now we're going to go ahead and put on the coil and button this all back up. Alright, so we got the coil back on. Got the new plug wires on. I cleaned up some of these wires because some of this plastic loom was all crusty. So I just added some tape on there. Even right here for this spark plug wire, I don't like how it rubs up against this power steering reservoir. So I just put some there to insulate it. Now we got to get the intake cleaned up and put that back on. Alright, here we go. Got it all back together. Running real nice and smooth. Put a new air filter, clean the throttle body. I'm going to change the PCV valve. The one I ordered is not the right one, so I got to order a correct one. Got my co-pilot here. How does it run, bud? Good? Did we do a good job? Give me a high five. Alright, high five. Alright, see you guys later.